Consonant digraph TH. A. See the pictures and take the correct words. 3. Thumb. Bath. Youth. Teeth. B. Write the names of the following pictures. Throw. Thin. Bath. Thief.
If you enjoyed the video, please like and share it with your friends. Do not forget to click the bell icon to subscribe for more such fun learning videos.